Why did the bicyclist cross the road? To get to the other side! Spirits are high.
4 hours of tramping. Yep. In the beautiful Abel Tasman National Park. We have plenty of vegan snacks.
Think we can skinny dip it?
I think so.
I made it to Kaitiri Tiri. 4 hours.
11K.
11 kilometers. And waiting for our water taxi. That might be it right over here.
Good morning.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm very good.
There's a long hike. Sitting here waiting for the boat. Just got to our new hotel, or the house, and this is our bedroom. Nice view of the bay. I don't know if you can see that, but wow. We're back in Kaitiri Tiri today. Gonna go on a sailing trip. Sailboat with just the 6 of us. Should be a fun time.
We have a sailing catamaran, not just a sailboat.
Oh yeah, sailing catamaran.
Sailing catamaran.
Gonna head it back out to Abel Tasman Park, and instead of hiking today, we're gonna sail to all the little nooks and crannies that we couldn't get to yesterday while we were hiking.
You know what I found out? Abel Tasman, the one who this park is named after, is Dutch. Figures.
And you know what they say about the Dutch?
If you ain't Dutch, you ain't much.
Is that racist? Where are we going today?
Wow, that's up to you guys.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Private trip.
Okay.
Abel Tasman National Park.
We got new people today. We got Jeff and Christine.
Yay! Vacation home. Leave the kids in here where you're welcome to put bags.
Cheers, everyone. Cheers. Smuggler's Cove. We're looking at Sandfly Beach here. And what is this? Is that a penguin?
What is that?
Oh, it's a regular. It's a bird. It's not a penguin. Got me all excited. We've been looking for penguins like crazy. I really want to see a penguin. Got the camera crew here.
That'll get us home.
We just saw a penguin and then it dove under the water.
I promise it was real.
There was 2 of them. Sorry I didn't catch it in time. Maybe next time. Just got back to Kaitiri Tiri. It was a good day of sailing. We all got a lot of sun. And now get some nice dinner, cook at the house tonight.
It was awesome.
The conditions could not have been better.
It was just like the guy said. Congratulations, you picked the perfect day.